Hi, welcome to the next part of our lesson. Today we'll study all types of noun in English. Today is the third lesson and part 1. We'll study all nouns in English here. And what is the noun? The noun definition. Here, noun describes the name of a person, place, or thing. For example, we have many examples that show the name of a person, place, or thing. Here, noun describe a place. For example, school, room, park. These are the examples of place. And you can see here an example. And they go to school. School is here name for the place. It is used for the place, school here. And I told you that noun describes a person. For example, Sain, Khalid, and Obama. These are the name for a person. For an example, Khalid likes to play chess. Here we have two nouns. The first one is Khalid and the second is chess. So here the noun describes a person. For example, here Khalid is a person. So color is red. You can see here Khalid. Khalid is the name for a person. And another is noun describe things. Noun describe things like cat, desk, and notebook. These are things in English. Cat is an animal. You can use it for as a things here, for the name for things here. Example, the cat is jumping on the desk. We have two nouns here. Cat is describes the things. Cat is a noun here, and desk is also a noun. Is a name for things. You can see here we have two nouns, cat and desk. So I told you the noun describes name for a person, place, or thing. These are the clear example you can see here. For example, place, we have a school here. For a person, we have I write here Khalid. You can see here things like cat and desk. These are the clear example for the noun. And what are the types of noun in English? We have many types of noun in English. The first one is common noun. The second is proper noun. We have concrete noun. We have abstract noun. Countable nouns, uncountable nouns. We have collective nouns. We have compound nouns, nouns of address, and singular and plural nouns in English. We will discuss all these parts of nouns in English. In the next video, I will study some remaining parts. And in the first part, I will study all common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun. I will study in the first part of the video these 6 numbers, and the next video and part 2 we will study all these remaining parts: collective nouns, compound nouns, nouns of address, singular and plural nouns, and keep going. Here we have common and proper nouns. So what's the common nouns in English? Common here, I identify general people, places, or things. For example, the name which is general, places which are general, things. And go to the examples here. We have city, people, school, university, town, and teacher. These are the clear example for common nouns. We have an example here. The teacher teaches in a small city. So here we have teacher and city. We have two nouns here. All these two nouns are common noun. Teacher is common, and city is also a common noun here. The teacher teaches in a small city. Teacher is used for, it's common, it's not proper noun. And go to the next part. We have proper noun. Proper noun identify a unique person, place, or thing, and comes with a capital letter. And a clear example is the names for a person. For example, Ali and Khan, Ahmad, John. These are the names for a person. All the names for a person are proper noun. We have some proper noun, for example, for name of the countries, and you can say in general all names for a person, countries, cities are the names, and they are called proper noun here. All proper nouns come with a capital letter, and the proper noun can be used in the end, in the middle, or at the beginning of the sentences. We have a clear example here. You can see they live with their parents at Kabul. So here we have a proper noun here with the capital letter Kabul. So you can see the capital letter K is used for the Kabul, and you can see it's a clear example for proper noun here. Kabul is proper. And go to the next example here. Ahmad likes to go to Paris. We have two nouns here. Ahmad is used with a capital letter here at the beginning of the sentences, and likes, it's a verb. We can see here many verbs and another parts. Just we have focus on nouns. Paris is the name for a country, and it's also a proper noun. You can use with the capital letter here, P. And jump to the next slide, and we have concrete and abstract nouns here. What is the concrete nouns in English? The name per people, places, animals, or things that are physically intangible, tangible, or can be touched. Those nouns that can be touched are called concrete noun in English here. The nouns that are physically tangible, you can say these are concrete nouns. For example, you can touch water, you can touch car, desk, cat. These are the nouns you can see here. And we have example here. They are parking the car. In this example, we have car. Car is physically tangible. And we have abstract noun. Number 4, abstract noun here. What's abstract nouns in English? These nouns are intangible. We cannot touch it, these kinds of nouns. For example, like concepts, ideas, attributes, feelings, and characteristics. All characteristics and feelings are in the category of the abstract nouns here. For example, we have love, hate, inspiration, happiness, emotion, excitement, and honesty. These are the example for abstract noun. Go to the example here. Example first. You can see honesty is a good behavior. We have two nouns here. Honesty Here's abstract noun here, and good is adjective here. A is an article and is a verb. So behavior is an abstract noun here. You cannot touch these kind of nouns, so they are intangible. And go to the next part of our slide. Here we have countable and uncountable noun, or countable nouns in English. We can count. For example, here we use an and numbers. For example, computer, book, car, people, engineer. These are the example for countable. Go to sentences. Here we have a sentences. I have 3 books. So here I used numbers. I used numbers before the nouns. Nouns is book. You can add s at the end of the noun here, and to become a plural. Yes, we have I have 3 books here. So 3 is a number that we can use before the countable nouns here. It's a clear and simple sentences. Go to the next example. Here we have she has a car. So here I used a before the noun car. She has a car. It shows that there is one car, and we use a. And if you use numbers before the noun, you can make plural form of the nouns and use the number before the nouns here. Example 3, we have he has an umbrella. He has an umbrella. Here we have used an because the noun is started with the vowel letter here. He has an umbrella. Umbrella is a noun. It is one umbrella. It's not 2 or more than 2. And we use an. It shows one umbrella is here. Go to uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns in English? We cannot count it. You can see here uncountable is not countable. Yes, you can see here. Like water, sugar, oil, wood, smoke, air, furniture, homework, love, hate, beauty, intelligence. These are the clear example for the uncountable noun in English here. Go to the example. Here we have example. It is a complete sentences. He buys some sugar. He buys some sugar. We cannot count. We cannot add s or is at the end of this noun here, sugar. And he buys some sugar. It's sugar is here, uncountable noun. Thank you for watching. Go to the next part of the lesson 3, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you.